I have many hobbies, but my favorite is car design. To drive people traveling is the mission of cars, and most people dream of driving a car on the road. It is exactly the kind of freedom that we aspire to when we are young. When you're creating or designing, you really want it to be perfect, right? You can only do this after making a lot of design. The MD-1000 Pro allows us to build a one-to-one size model and check where we should do modifications. My original plan would have taken around 3 months to complete the entire design process from start to finish, but in fact, it only took me less than half a month. That's why 3D printing is awesome. You can see that this wheel hub has great printing effect. Even it's very large or its structure design is quite complicated. I think it would be 5 times more expensive to make it out in the original method than it is now. So when you have a large volume 3D printer, like the MD-1000 Pro, you can actually make such a prototype with complex shapes without costly expense. 3D printing is very fast, cost-effective, and we can do a lot of iterations for our new design. And in the end, we got the design we wanted the most. When I saw it fit perfectly on the tire, I knew I had it. And I used less than 1/5 of the time and money in my original plan. This allows me to do more things, and this is where 3D printing attracts designers.